So for this avocado banana chocolate brownie recipe, you're gonna need, like, obviously an avocado. I'm just following the original recipe. Like, I'm gonna link the recipe in the description box below. And you're gonna need some bananas, cocoa powder, coconut flour, a bit of salt, real maple syrup. I have honey here because I wasn't sure whether the syrup that I had was right or would work for this. You know, the original recipe said real maple syrup, and the syrup that I have isn't maple or real, I don't think. So I figured I might, use honey instead, but I didn't want to waste the honey that I had, so I used that syrup. So yeah, you can either use honey or syrup, whatever you prefer. Baking powder, vanilla extract. I have two of them here because I wasn't really sure as to which one I wanted to use. I prefer the paste because it has the vanilla beans in it, yeah, and chocolate chips. You can use whatever ones you like, to be honest, and eggs, and I think that's about it. After cutting up the avocado into tiny pieces and mushing the bananas, I mixed all the dry ingredients in one bowl just to make things easier for me. And I know I'm not following the original recipe method, but I'll try and find a way to make things easier for me. And just like a quick tip, I did tweak this recipe. I doubled some of the ingredients, and I should have doubled everything, but it did come out okay. I'd suggest you, if you're gonna make a bigger batch, you double everything. I came to figure that out later on.
on it and everything.
Oh, if you're gonna put Maya, it's not gonna work. You know for a fact it's not gonna work.
So why were you telling me it might work?
I didn't realize you needed Maya.
What else did I model on?
Blender.
No, I don't use butter. We don't use butter.
Wait, so you don't use After Effects and all that? Oh my gosh. What, read a book, jeez. Can you stop bothering me? Gosh. What, can you not be weird somewhere else? Seriously. Everything. You're whining and complaining about everything. Gosh. You came back home to relax, so sit yourself down and read a book. Watch TV. Watch TV. Oh my gosh, when you relax, jeez.
I'm still doing something. We just do nothing.
Read a book. Read a book. Like, seriously, read a book or draw.